This is why you need to explore the ocean's depths. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet's surface, yet we have only explored a fraction of it. The deep sea, in particular, remains one of the last frontiers of human discovery. Imagine the thrill of descending into the unknown, where every dive could reveal new species, ecosystems, and geological formations. The allure of the deep sea is not just in its mysteries, but in the potential it holds for scientific breakthroughs and a deeper understanding of our planet. The mysteries of the deep sea await. From the eerie silence to the pitch-black darkness, the deep sea is a realm that challenges our perceptions and ignites our curiosity. It's a place where the rules of life as we know them are rewritten, where creatures have evolved in ways that seem almost alien. The deep sea is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, thriving in conditions that would be inhospitable to most known organisms. Ready to dive into the unknown? The deep sea, a place where human knowledge barely scratches the surface. Despite advances in technology, much of the deep ocean remains unexplored. Each expedition is a step into uncharted territory, where the potential for discovery is limitless. The deep sea is not just a destination for scientists and explorers, it's a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and anyone with a sense of wonder about the natural world. In the darkness and intense pressure lies a world filled with strange creatures and astonishing life. Bioluminescence, the ability of organisms to produce light, is a common adaptation in the deep sea. This phenomenon creates a mesmerizing display of lights in the darkness as creatures use bioluminescence for communication, camouflage, and predation. The deep sea is home to some of the most bizarre and fascinating life forms on Earth, each uniquely adapted to survive in extreme conditions. Let's dive into the depths of the ocean and uncover its mysteries. As we descend, we leave behind the familiar world of sunlight and enter a realm where the rules of life are different. The journey to the deep sea is not just a physical descent, but a journey into the unknown, where every discovery challenges our understanding of biology, chemistry, and geology. The deep sea is a place of wonder and discovery, where the boundaries of human knowledge are constantly being pushed. The deep sea starts around 200 meters below the surface, stretching down thousands of meters to the ocean floor. This vast, dark expanse is divided into different zones, each with its own unique characteristics and inhabitants. The mesopelagic zone, also known as the twilight zone, extends from 200 to 1,000 meters and is home to many bioluminescent organisms. Below this lies the bathypelagic zone, or midnight zone, which extends from 1,000 to 4,000 meters and is characterized by complete darkness and high pressure. The abyssopelagic zone, or abyss, extends from 4,000 meters to the ocean floor and is one of the least explored regions on Earth. Sunlight can't reach these depths, leaving the deep sea in complete darkness. The absence of light creates a unique environment where life has evolved in extraordinary ways. Many deep-sea creatures have developed highly sensitive eyes or other sensory organs to navigate and hunt in the dark. Some species rely on bioluminescence to attract mates or prey, while others have adapted to the darkness by becoming nearly invisible. The deep sea is a world of contrasts, where light and dark, life and death coexist in a delicate balance. Temperatures here plummet, reaching near freezing levels. The cold, dark waters of the deep sea create a challenging environment for life, but also offer a stable habitat for many species. The lack of sunlight means that deep-sea organisms rely on other sources of energy, such as the organic matter that sinks from the surface or the chemical energy from hydrothermal vents. These vents, found along mid-ocean ridges, release hot, mineral-rich water that supports unique ecosystems of bacteria, tube worms, and other organisms. And pressures rise to hundreds of times those at the surface. The immense pressure at these depths would crush most surface-dwelling organisms, but deep-sea creatures have evolved to withstand it. Their bodies are often soft and flexible, allowing them to survive in an environment where the pressure is so intense that it can dissolve calcium carbonate, a common component of shells and skeletons. The adaptations of deep-sea life are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of nature. It's an extreme environment, but life has adapted and thrives. The deep sea is home to a diverse array of organisms, from tiny plankton to giant squids. Each species has evolved unique adaptations to survive in the harsh conditions of the deep ocean. Some, like the anglerfish, use bioluminescent lures to attract prey, while others, like the giant squid, have developed large eyes to see in the dark. The deep sea is a living laboratory where the principles of evolution and adaptation are on full display. Take the anglerfish, using its own light to lure prey, a perfect example of how life has adapted to the deep sea. The anglerfish's bioluminescent lure is a modified dorsal fin spine that contains light-producing bacteria. This lure attracts smaller fish and other prey, which the anglerfish then snaps up with its large, sharp teeth. The anglerfish's unique adaptation is just one of many examples of how deep-sea creatures have evolved to survive in their dark, high-pressure environment. Or the giant squids that can grow to several meters long. These elusive creatures are rarely seen by humans, but they are known to inhabit the deep ocean. Giant squids have large eyes which help them see in the dark, and long tentacles which they use to catch prey. They are also known for their ability to produce ink, which they use to escape from predators. The giant squid is a symbol of the mysteries of the deep sea, a creature that has fascinated humans for centuries. Humans explore these depths using advanced tech like ROVs, remotely operated vehicles. These sophisticated machines are equipped with cameras, lights and robotic arms, allowing scientists to explore and study the deep sea without having to descend themselves. ROVs can reach depths that are inaccessible to human divers, and they can stay underwater for extended periods, collecting data and samples. The use of ROVs has revolutionized our understanding of the deep sea, revealing new species, ecosystems and geological features. These allow scientists to study the biodiversity and geology of the ocean floor firsthand. By using ROVs, scientists can observe deep-sea organisms in their natural habitat, collect samples for analysis, and map the seafloor. This research is crucial for understanding the deep sea's role in the Earth's ecosystem and for identifying potential resources such as minerals and pharmaceuticals. The data collected by ROVs also helps scientists monitor the health of deep-sea ecosystems and assess the impact of human activities, such as deep-sea mining and pollution. The deep sea plays a crucial role in balancing Earth's ecosystem. It is a major reservoir of biodiversity, home to countless species that are found nowhere else on Earth. The deep sea also plays a key role in the global carbon cycle, as organic matter from the surface sinks to the ocean floor and is broken down by deep-sea organisms. This process helps regulate the Earth's climate by removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The deep sea is also a source of nutrients which are brought to the surface by upwelling currents and support marine life in shallower waters. Ocean currents from the deep distribute nutrients and help regulate global climate patterns. These currents, known as thermohaline circulation, are driven by differences in temperature and salinity. They transport heat and nutrients around the globe, influencing weather patterns and supporting marine life. The deep sea is an integral part of the Earth's climate system, and changes in deep-sea currents can have far-reaching effects on the global climate. Understanding the deep sea is essential for predicting and mitigating the impacts of climate change. But this mysterious world faces threats from human activities such as deep-sea mining and plastic pollution. Deep-sea mining involves extracting minerals from the ocean floor, which can disrupt delicate ecosystems and release harmful substances into the water. Plastic pollution is another major threat, as plastic waste can sink to the deep sea and harm marine life. Microplastics, tiny particles of plastic, have been found in deep-sea organisms, raising concerns about the impact of plastic pollution on the deep-sea food web. Protecting the deep sea is crucial for preserving its biodiversity and ensuring the health of the Earth's ecosystem. Like deep-sea mining and plastic pollution, these activities can have devastating effects on deep-sea ecosystems, which are slow to recover from disturbances. The deep sea is a fragile environment, and the impacts of human activities can be long-lasting. It is essential to regulate and manage these activities to minimize their impact on the deep sea. International cooperation and strong environmental policies are needed to protect this vital part of our planet. Protecting the deep sea is a responsibility we all share. By reducing our use of plastic, supporting sustainable fishing practices and advocating for strong environmental policies, we can help protect the deep sea and its inhabitants. Conservation efforts are also needed to protect deep sea habitats, such as seamounts and hydrothermal vents, which are home to unique and vulnerable species. The deep sea is a global treasure, and it is our responsibility to ensure that it remains healthy and vibrant for future generations. The deep sea holds many mysteries yet to be revealed, not only for science, but for the future of life on Earth. The deep sea is a frontier of discovery, where each expedition has the potential to reveal new species, ecosystems, and geological features. It is also a source of inspiration and wonder, reminding us of the vastness and complexity of our planet. The deep sea is a place of beauty and mystery, and it is our responsibility to protect and preserve it for future generations. Let us hope we can continue to protect and preserve this wonder so future generations can experience its beauty. The deep sea is a vital part of our planet, and its health is essential for the well-being of all life on Earth. By working together to protect the deep sea, we can ensure that it remains a source of wonder and discovery for generations to come. The deep sea is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the importance of preserving our planet's natural treasures. Save the deep sea, save our future. The deep sea is a crucial part of the Earth's ecosystem, and its health is essential for the well-being of all life on our planet. By protecting the deep sea, we are also protecting our future. The deep sea is a source of wonder and discovery, and it is our responsibility to ensure that it remains healthy and vibrant for future generations. Let us work together to protect and preserve this vital part of our planet, so that future generations can continue to explore and be inspired by the mysteries of the deep sea.